Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making cheddar broccoli rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are whole milk, heavy whipping cream, vegetable seasoning, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, ground turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, extra sharp cheddar cheese, salt. I'm using long grain parboiled rice, salted butter, and fresh broccoli. Guys, I'll be giving you the exact measurements of the ingredients as we go through the video. The first thing we're going to do is boil 6 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead and put a half a teaspoon of salt in and just mix it. I'm going to let that come to a boil. Now you want to have 1 pound 5 ounces of fresh broccoli. You want to make sure that you wash it off really good. And all we're going to do now is cut off the stems. We're just going to be using the florets. Once you cut off the stems, we're going to chop the broccoli florets into smaller pieces. Now that your water is boiling, it's time to add in your broccoli. And we're going to let that boil for 3 minutes. You can go ahead and stir it. After 3 minutes, turn off your heat. Now it's time to drain the water from your broccoli. Now you want to let your broccoli cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to shred our 8 ounces of our cheddar cheese. Once you're done shredding your cheddar cheese, you want to place it in your refrigerator until we're ready to make our cheese sauce. Next, for our rice, we need 3 1/4 cup of water, and we're also going to need 1 1/2 cups of our parboiled long grain rice, and also 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now to a pot over high heat, we're going to add in our water. Now you can add in your salt, and we're just going to mix it. We're going to let the water come to a boil. Once your water has come to a boil, you can now add in your rice. And go ahead and mix that up. Now I'm going to place a piece of aluminum foil over top, and then my lid on top of that, and we're going to lower our heat to medium low, and we're going to let it cook for 20 to 23 minutes. Once your rice is done cooking, you don't want to stir it or mix it. We're going to let it sit and cool for 30 minutes, and you're going to just leave it uncovered. Now for our cheese sauce. We have our 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of brown black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, and also 1 tablespoon of shredded Parmesan cheese. To a pot over medium heat, we're going to add in our 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt. Once our butter has melted, you want to add in your milk and your heavy cream, and we're just going to stir that. Then we're going to add in all our seasonings, our pepper, turmeric, our salt, that didn't come out, our salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, our vegetable seasoning, and also our tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined for about 1 minute. You want your heat over medium. Now we're going to add in all of our cheddar cheese. And you're going to continue to stir it until all the cheese is melted. That should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your cheese has melted, we're going to add in our broccoli. And you want to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to get our rice, and you can go ahead and mix it. Once your rice is mixed, you can go ahead and pour your cheese and broccoli over top. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cheddar broccoli rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?